What is up, guys? Today we're going to be playing some Roblox, and yeah, this is approximately my first gaming video on Facecam, so don't be really judging. And I'm in my room playing this. You can mostly call my office. And today we're just going to be playing some Roblox games, Get Eaten, and all this. And yeah. And I'm gonna be telling you guys that all my videos are gonna be 10 minutes. And yeah, so let's just start playing. Okay. Looks like my cursor is glitching a little bit. Where's the moment? Hello? Okay. I don't know what's happening with the controls, but let's leave this game. I think we'll have a better game. Okay. Let's play Natural Disaster. What was that game called again? I think it's called Natural Disaster. Yes. Do your best to survive the natural disasters, blah blah blah. I don't like reading, so. Oh my god. Guys, do you see this? Look at that. Yo, oh my god. That is huge. There we go. It can happen to you. Sharebox TM. Hurricane Insurance. Saves the day. I don't have any Robux because. Comment down below if you guys think I look like a bacon. Okay. Mug shot, they're dead. I'm off the dead. I'm off the dead. Okay. Wizard. Seek what? Where is that? Oh, dang it, I died. Okay. I can't see because of the stupid blizzard. Um, there we go. We don't really need to see the name tags. I'm just moving to that's too bad. Um, I didn't even see anything. Okay, the survivors. I think we have enough time to play one more game. I don't think 4 minutes is enough, but yeah. Oh, that thing looks busted. How many people? Like, so much people survived because they're pros, mostly. And I don't think I'm gonna be recording every day because I don't really have time. So this is gonna be a last round since it's all just 10 minutes. Because that's what my mom said. So it's like, alright, but I don't really think I'm copying any YouTuber. Comment down below what YouTuber you think I'm copying. Well, I'm not copying anyone, but no, that's no. You can't. Just what I thought. Okay, let's hope we can survive. Earthquake. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay, let's play another game. Let's play a quick game of. You guys know what level I'm on? It's like, it's your first. It's not my first time playing. I've played this a bunch of times and I love it. And yes, that's how many kills I have. 248, level 77. I don't know why I'm moving, so. What's happening? There's something weird about my controls, so. Don't leave. Don't leave me! I didn't have anything. Yeah, look at this. These are easy zombies to get. Those are 250. Okay guys, I think it's gonna end for today. I'm sorry, but I think I recorded a whole new video. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like, notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And yeah, subscribing is the most specialist. And yeah, and goodbye.